Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's a quick recipe that you can do to use those overripe bananas instead of throwing them away. So stay tuned. First, you're going to mix 1 cup of your flour, sugar, and milk until smooth. And then mix in your melted butter. Transfer that mixture to a baking dish and set aside. In another bowl, mix brown sugar, the rest of your flour, and the softened butter. You're going to want to mash together with a fork until crumbly. Then add your oatmeal and your pecans and mix. Add your bananas to the batter and mix thoroughly to distribute evenly throughout the batter. Add your crumble topping and bake in a 375-degree oven for 50 to 55 minutes. And when it's done, it should look just like this. Guys, this is so delicious, especially if you add ice cream. Hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.